30, 70 sphere. Leave it there. Boom. Slice. Leave it off. So we have this film on the glass. Now let me show you something. We put wrapping vinyl from inside because if you can see here, it's dotted matrix that much. Either you can fill it with glue, you know, and hide it sort of, but glue usually goes yellow. So we put wrapping vinyl underneath. So that's the. Don't be deceived by this 3 Series BMW. They're pain in the ass to actually tint. I mean, because of the dotted matrix that you have to get in. The corners are very tight, if you can see here. So it is. Plus they're a bit older, so there's a bunch of dust, you know, at the end of the thing. So let's create a H pattern as usual. Boom. Cut off the extra one that we don't need. Oh, I need to snap a blade. Anyway, we're gonna cut off the all around and prepare for shrinking. So as you can see, we have the film cut to shape. Now it's floating around because we put our liquid with this almost like dryer sheets, similar thing. And yeah, we're gonna start shrinking. So we go from bottom, then we do the top, and then we're gonna try to apply it. Let's see how fast we can shrink it. Heat it up, good heat. All right. The hotter the heat gun, the faster you can shrink it to shape. This is one of the cars that I learned how to tint. I used to own back in the day, a long time ago, and it was painful to learn on such a car. Because, you know, when you're doing not hatchbacks, you know, and a coupe, this is where it becomes difficult. Anyway, let's speed up here. Let's shrink it to shape. Do the bottom, now we do the top. So we shrank the film, now we're gonna put it to shape. So I'm gonna go all the way down. I'll do with this one closer to the edge of the dotted matrix because it doesn't look like it has a lot of space here in the corners. So let me cut this all around and let's try apply it. So these love to lift at the end afterwards. So double shrink the bottom is kind of a good idea, especially on a sedan. And we have a tight space here in this car, so you know, you lift the bottom a little bit and you just basically have a space now like it's all wrinkled up, so we make it even more wrinkled up. Get the good heat on it and just double shrink the bottom. So we're gonna remove the liner and we're gonna do the no rollbacks on this one. See how that turns out. It's pretty good bit because it needs to slide in. It's hot here, so I need extra. So we have it slightly in. It's very uncomfy car to tint. Brings me memories when I was learning to tint, because that was the first car I tinted. Okay, let's get it in. Yeah, so I had to a little bit take off the glasses because I can't see here with those glasses, so I had to get all the way to the edge. So you have to press on the panel, try to get it in. It's a lot of pain, guys. Don't, like, I don't say don't tint these, but like, if you're tinting, learn first on easier cars. You'll have a hard time here. So now we're just gonna squeegee out the water as usual and see how that turns out. Need to be careful when squeegeeing out the water. You don't want to mess anything up with this type of window, because it's a lot of preparation and a lot of hassle afterwards. I can feel like it's, you see, as I'm tinting in the heat, it's a little bit annoying. I need to get that first line and we can squeegee everything upwards. It's fine. I don't think you can actually see it properly. Nothing you can really see, to be honest. But I'm just trying to avoid not breaking the film. It's hot in here, guys. I know you don't feel it through the video, but it's hot. Around 30 degrees or something like this. Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Ah, jeez. Looks pretty good for now. We'll see how this fully turns out as we go along. Boom, boom. The difficult part is gonna be the edge, the bottom edge. Okay, let's squeegee. Try to push it with fingers if you can. Some bigger pockets. Yeah, boom, boom, like this one. There you go. I know the edge is gonna play with me there. I already know. Okay. So guys, we have finished with this car. Now we did at the start put wrapping vinyl at the top on the dotted matrix, which turned out to be crap because it became white, you know, and it just didn't look good. So you could use glue instead of that, or you can use this special material you can get in US. It's like dot fix or something it's called. It's like a wrapping vinyl, but it's I don't know, I seen it before. It's kind of rubbery, so it does hide the dotted matrix in a way. But what we did with this one, I changed my mind in the middle of tinting and I said, you know what, let's put a nice Avery wrap on it, cut out around the tail light and remove that white gigantic strip that goes across of that gigantic dotted matrix that runs across here. That looks very ugly when you tint it and it's white. It looks damn ugly. So I think it looks pretty damn good. I don't think you're gonna encounter many of these cars anymore, so it's not a big issue, but from time to time you might get, and this could be an idea how to go around that gigantic thing. Either you put glue, but the customer will come back in half year or a year saying like, look, it's yellow now, retint my car, which you don't want to do. So yeah guys, I think this is it for this one. Crazy car. The sides turned out super nice, no bubbles whatsoever, just looks amazing. The back window is a tough one to do because of all, like, the edges are tight, the dotted matrix is there, you know, everything, too much things anyway. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.